In this lecture, we'll see how to preview the output of the site. There are several ways to preview the site. The first way, simply by going to the folder where you have saved the HTML file and open it with a browser of your choice. Here I am using Google Chrome. The second way is nothing but opening the site using the live server. If you are using Visual Studio Code, head to Extensions and look for Live Server on the search bar. Go ahead and install and enable the extension. Head back to the Explorer section and right-click on the index.html and click Open with Live Server. Now the third way, head over to the extensions and search in for Live Preview. Look for the one with Microsoft as the author. Go ahead and install this extension. Once you have installed and enabled the extension, go back to the Explorer section and click on the index.html. Now you'll see a small icon at the top right corner of the window before the split editor. Click on it and now it opens the live preview of the site. This way you don't have to go on and off from code editor to see the site. I prefer the third way to follow, as you will see the immediate change right next to the split screen. In the next lecture, we'll start working with GSAP.